It's couples season here at Avalon RV Center, and behind me we have a couples coach. This is a Rockwood 2720 IK. So let's check it out. We're here at the outdoor kitchen. This right here is a perfect spot for maybe some s'mores on the campfire. We know maybe even some chocolate covered strawberries. Get the pot of chocolate going, melt it, get the strawberries. Completely a vibe. And since it's a little chilly out there, let's bring the warm vibes inside. Bringing the date night inside, we have this RV queen for getting those chocolate covered strawberries that you made outside. Bring them in, get cozy in this bed, and I can promise you, it's cozy. And you can get your favorite TV show, rom-com, The Notebook, Last Song, Dear John, whatever you want to watch with your significant other, maybe shed a few tears. Put it up on the screen, you have a perfect view from your bed, and that right there is a date night in. If you plan on hitting the town wherever your campsite is, you have a perfect spot for all your date night outfits. We have some storage up here, below, and underneath the TV, so whether you're the type like me where you just are indecisive and you have to pack more than one outfit, you'll have a spot for it. Now into this dual entry bathroom. You can come on in. I'll just take a step in the shower. You can see over here we have the dual entry, so you can get in from your bedroom or straight from the living space. You have a stand-up shower, so get ready for the date night. And following in to getting ready for the date night, you have this area for your makeup, your razors, whether it's getting lined up or getting the makeup done. You also have storage above as well, so you won't run out of space. Now into the living space. It's super open. You will start with these two recliners. You have wireless charging. You have storage under here so no one's losing their stuff. And it's a perfect view from the TV. And dinner plans fell through, bring it here with this booth dinette. That will also switch into a sleeping space as well, but that's not important because we have that comfy bed in there for you guys. Or if you're more of a double date kind of person, bring your two friends along. This will seat 4 people pretty comfortably, so you can get the candles lit, get the steaks grilling, and have yourself a date night. And not that we want to work on a couple's getaway, you will have the option over in this little desk workspace. You have your power tower right here to plug in all your technology. You have your stool underneath. You have some storage as well. So if you have to get something done, you still have the power to in this Rockwood 2720 IK. Now into the kitchen. You can romanticize yourself with a glass of wine, whether it's white or red. Actually, comment down below what you prefer. I prefer white wine, but I'm curious to see what you guys prefer. The IK in this 2720 IK stands for that island kitchen. You have a massive sink. Here's the indents below so you can also get your bar stools, sit, watch your significant other cook, and when it comes down to dinner being done, again, like I mentioned, you have the massive sink for all the dishes. Lastly, we have the entertainment area. You have your televator, so this will go down. I can actually show you just by this button. If movie night is over and you would like to minimalize the space, go ahead, put that down and you're all set. We also have a staple in a couples coach, but also a staple for a couples getaway is this fireplace right here. It's a staple and I don't even really have to explain it. This will set the mood for a super chill night. And you also have the white brick background. It really ties into the light interior inside this Rockwood. So it all comes together, super calming, nothing too in your face crazy. And again, back to this fireplace, it's an essential. So if you got struck by Cupid's arrow, come on down to Avalon RV Center and shop our couples coaches, link below.